So if you've landed here, chances are you're searching for answers, right? So you're doing all the things, therapies, strategies, routines, appointments, but something still isn't clicking. So many families come to us after receiving a diagnosis like autism or ADHD or sensory challenges. And while a diagnosis can be helpful, it doesn't explain why a child or person is struggling, right? So in this workshop, Beyond the Diagnosis, we talk about root causes. So we look at how a child's nervous system is functioning and how stress, growth, and life experiences can impact regulation of the nervous system, behavior, focus, sleep, and emotional resilience. So neurologically focused chiropractic care isn't about treating the symptoms or imposing more labels on a person, right? It's about helping the nervous system move out of its constant state of stress management and into a state where it can heal the body can adapt, the body can regulate as it was designed to do. So this workshop is for parents, professionals, and caregivers, really anybody who feel like they've done everything they were told to do, but still know there's more to that story, right? So we're here to help you connect the dots and see your child through a vastly different lens.